Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome. Yeah. So, rain is welcome. Okay, so.
Right now, France is the 5th largest investor in your country, Mr. Minister. Our 140 companies now create more than 34,000 direct jobs in your country. They contribute to flagship infrastructure projects such as the renovation of the Nairobi commuter rail network, which we would like this partnership to continue and increase. I believe in the cooperation we will have here and in the years to come.
On matters of infrastructure and transport, the French government has made a significant mark in the development of Kenya's roads and railway systems. I am pleased to note that Kenya and France have finalized the agreement to facilitate funding of the upgrading of Nairobi commuter railway. This project aligns with Kenya's sustainable urban development initiatives aiming to enhance transport services and mobility in Nairobi metropolitan area.